What's up, guys? Tim here. Happy Sunday to you. Just getting ready to leave for church. Got a package in yesterday. I wasn't home in time to do a video on it, so we're gonna get into it today. We got this thanks, Timothy. We got this from Traditional Pocket Knives. Got some stickers from them. Rose Craft Braid, TPK, Jig Titanium exclusive. There's some Rose Crafts on the back. Let me get this out of the way. So we got a Rose Craft blade, Obed Creek bow trapper. So this So first thing right off, I like that nickel finish on it. I like the skull. Green micarta handles. Spring in the back is very smooth. Nickel like bolsters. Green micarta. Nail nicks here to pull. Drop point, Rose Craft on the blade. This is in D2 steel, and it's got these are made in China. But they're to be China made. I always do my research before I buy a knife. And to be China made, these things hold up like a tank. Choir Boy Cutleries has a couple videos of this knife, testing it. I like how it's got that round shape to the handle. Fits really good in hand. It's got a swedge on the blade from a flat to a swedge, a nail nick. They give you plenty of life to sharpen with. Walk and talk. I give the spring pull a 5. The walk and talk, maybe a 5 also. Alright, let's do some size comparisons. First size comparison is a Benchmade. I carry all my traditional pocket knives in a slip. Really cheap, really good. A cheap way to keep them safe in your pocket from getting banged up with change or anything else you got in your pocket. This slip here is from Otter Creek. Alright. So we got the Benchmade slip joint. A little bit longer than the Benchmade. And this come from Duty's Daggers. He made it for me. Carry this sharpshooter jack. And that slip. The Obadiah is a little bit longer than both these knives so far. And then we got a Cavil knife slip with a nice wire clip that I carry the QSP Hedgehog in. The Creek Trapper is a little bit longer than, a little bit bigger of a traditional knife than all 3 of these other knives here. I've got more traditional knives, but I know these are the ones that people carry. So I got them out. D2 steel. It's the only thing I wish they would do. I wish they would give you some kind of different steel on these blades. I mean, D2's good. Well, it's not like, it's not a super steel per se, but it holds pretty good edge retention. It'll cut. It'll hold edge retention for a little bit. You know, it's easy to get back. Just weigh it. Hope everyone's having a good day. Like I said, getting ready to head to church. So 3.5 ounces. I think what I'm gonna do is that's a little bit better for that case. Then maybe move this one around into that case. Then I'll have to find a case for the QSP Hedgehog. So once again, the Obadiah Creek Trapper D2 steel, nickel bolsters. Well, not nickel, just guess it would be stainless steel bolsters, green micarta, and a skull, the designer skull inlaid into the micarta. The ergonomics, it feels really good in hand. Choke back, it feels really good. Choke up, it feels really good. Fit and finish. The springs flush. They give you some sharpening life. The walk and talk. I give it a 5, 6. If you want to see this knife hard use, go check out Choir Boys Cutlery. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. Stay sharp.